So how can you find the domain and the range for the function f of x is equals to the square root of x minus 4? Alright, so to start with, for the range, what will come out of the square root is always a positive number or 0. You will never get a result that is negative from the square root. So with that said, this means that our range representing the y is everything positive, that is 0 inclusive and all the way up to positive infinity, because no negative will come out as a result of this square root. Then for the domain, this is all the values that are valid for x such that this is possible. Now remember, range, we said everything 0 and above, so we can say x minus 4 should be greater or equal to 0. This is the condition for domain. So this means that x is greater or equals to positive 4. So our domain is simply everything above 4 and 4 included. So simply say 4, comma, positive infinity. So to just give you an example of what I mean by this, we can say, suppose, let's choose something that is not in this range, in this domain. Let's use, for example, 3. If I replace x with 3, this is what will happen. We'll have 3 minus 4. So f of 3 will give us negative 1. So this will not give us a domain because we cannot find the square root of negative 1 as a real number because these are complex numbers. So there we have it. That's our domain and that's our range.